I'm just kidding. Welcome back, guys. This is actually the second attempt for the video because my GoPro really hates cold weather and it tends to shut itself down for some reason. So I had to swap batteries, and now I hope it's gonna be better and it's not gonna shut down again. That would be really fucking annoying, I gotta say. But we'll see what happens. We'll see what fucking happens. This is a little bit of a Christmas kind of ride, because it's actually a day or two after the Christmas. So yeah, it's super cold in here. There's even some snowflakes flying in the air. So I guess it's not gonna take long for me to actually test this thing in the snow, and that would be actually quite nice and fun, and I would fucking love it. So let's bring the snow. Jesus Christ, these animal fucking routes are insane. Look at that. Where the fuck am I? It's actually kinda fun to follow these routes that deers use to walk around, but it's not really easy all the time, and it's also prohibited by the law. So yeah, that's kinda the story of my life. Let's change the settings a little bit. Oh yeah, before I took the bike out, I had to change the brake fluid, because the front brake felt kinda mushy, and I really don't like that. So I changed the fluid, and voila, it's fucking epic now. Just the way I like it. This bike is picking up some speed down the hill really fucking fast. It's kinda amazing and kinda dangerous at the same time, to be honest. And you probably know this route because I do this quite often, but I didn't went this way. But I didn't go this way before. So let's see what lays ahead. Ooh, this is actually quite nice and wet, really wet, because the back wheel is flying from the left to right like crazy. Looks like I have the road just for myself, and that's kind of fun. I mean, you saw him as well. He was just fucking eyeballing this thing. I had to do a pull for him. The thing is, I don't have the paperwork on me, so I should probably turn around. Fuck this, this is kinda risky. I need my driving license because I use my car every day basically when I go to work. So yeah, let's don't risk that. That would be a real shame. Shit, man, it's really cold in here. I'm freezing to death, really. Jesus, I'm gonna have to take a fucking hot shower after this. To actually warm up my core. Because I'm really fucking freezing. This is the perfect place for for Karen to spawn and yelled, "Ah, stop the bike, I'm gonna call the cops and shit." It's like the perfect fucking place. Not today, Karen, not today. Wow. Alright. That's it from me for today. Because I'm really fucking cold and I have one more video to do. So yeah, take care, ride safe and peace.